I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open your email app or webmail and sign into your account. Use your normal username and password to access the inbox. Go to Settings or Preferences from the main account menu. Look for an icon labeled Settings, a gear, or 3 dots. Select the account you want to edit under Accounts or Mailboxes. If you use multiple accounts, tap the exact address you wish to change. Stay on that account page before continuing to the next steps. Find the Location or Profile section within Account Details. Scroll through Account Settings until you see Personal Info or Profile. Enter the new city, region, or custom location in the Location field. Use a clear format like city, state, country for consistency. If there is a separate time zone, verify it matches your location. Save changes using Save, Apply, or the checkmark in the interface. Wait for a confirmation message or a brief sync to complete the update. Confirm the updated location appears on your profile or account overview. Refresh the page or close and reopen the app to ensure visibility. Sign out and sign back in if changes do not appear immediately. This forces a fresh sync between client and server systems. Check linked services and apps to update cached location data as well. In some cases, allow up to 24 hours for third-party services to reflect the change. If problems persist, contact support or review account help document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.